Hola amigos, namaste, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, this is David. In this video I'll explain in simple words what is Bollinger Bands indicator. Also in this video I'm going to break down one of the simplest and most powerful indicator combos you can use, Bollinger Bands plus RSI, even if you're trading online charts. Stick around till the end because I will also show you how to access my exclusive trading content and drop a promo code that gives you up to 60% bonus on your balance. Let's dive in! Okay guys, what are Bollinger Bands? Bollinger Bands are a classic tool that helps visualize volatility and potential reversals. They consist of a middle line, which is a moving average. I usually change normal moving average for middle line. You can see it in my previous videos. Also, we have an upper band and a lower band. These outer bands are calculated using something called standard deviation, a fancy term for how much price moves away from the average. When price touches or breaks through the upper or lower bands, it often means the asset is overbought or oversold and might bounce or reverse. Think of the bands as rubber boundaries. Price tends to stretch out and then snap back. Let's talk about Bollinger Bands settings, which is the best. If you're trading on 1 minute time frames, I recommend these settings. Period 14 and multiplier for 2. Of course, you can experiment with slightly lower periods like 10 or higher ones like 20, but 14 works well in fast-paced scalping. If you decide to experiment, just be careful and, of course, try it on demo first. If your platform allows, remove the background fill and just keep the 3 lines. It will make your chart cleaner, especially on line charts. These bands recalculate in real time, giving you an evolving view of volatility, because all this indicator is all about volatility. And now let's mix our Bollinger Bands with RSI. In previous video, I already explained how RSI indicator work. But let me repeat, if you want more information about RSI, watch my previous video, it's supposed to be somewhere here. Now we will discuss the combo of these two indicators, Bollinger Bands plus RSI. Well, let's discuss RSI a bit. RSI, the confirmation kink action. Now, Bollinger Bands are great, but don't trade them blindly. We combine them with RSI, relative strength. RSI measures momentum and we use it to confirm overbought and oversold zones as well, like Bollinger Bands, but it's a bit different. RSI settings I recommend for 1 minute trading is length 14, overbought level 70, oversold level 30, but sometimes I mix it with 80 and 20. Some of the traders also do this. The idea is simple. If price hits the upper band and RSI is over 70, that's a potential short or sell, right? If price hits the lower band and RSI is under 30, that's a potential long, buy. So we're looking for a confirmation, not just a random bounce. Don't be blind. Let me do it again and repeat it again and again. Don't be blind. Trade smart. Well, let's discuss a setting on a line chart. Most beginners use candlestick charts, of course. Not just beginners, also some pro using this. Now, more and more, I see potential in line charts, and I hope you will understand why. Line charts can be cleaner, especially if you want to simplify the noise. Here's what we do. Switch to line chart view over here, add Bollinger Bands with our settings, add the RSI indicator below, and adjust your RSI colors to easily spot the 30 and 70 zones. This setup is perfect if you're trading during quiet market. Let's discuss the most interesting part. When actually you need to enter trades using these two indicators. Let me give you a few examples of how this works. Just check here. Price touches the upper band, RSI is about 70. And we see confirmation on Bollinger Bands, and we enter a sell position, like here. Now check here. Price touches the lower band, RSI is below 13, so we enter buy position. If RSI is neutral, between 40 or 60, and also you don't see Bollinger Bands confirmation, it's also the price somewhere in the middle of moving average. What you gonna do? Of course, skip this trade. You don't need this. If you don't see confirmation, just skip this trade. Well, I also recommend watching for double touches when price hits the same band twice and RSI stays in the extreme zone. This can be a stronger reversal signal. Let me give you my personal tips for better entries. Here are some bonus. Avoid sideways markets. Bollinger Bands will contract and give false signals. That's why it's not clear entry points. That's it. Just skip it. Look for price breaking out of the band and quickly snapping back in this often leads to good reversal setups. Also, combine with trend lines or support resistance zones for extra confirmation. If you don't know what is support and resistance zones, I will shoot another video about this. I think this is the base and this is really important to know. Remember, we're not predicting the future. We are reacting to extreme conditions. RSI plus Bollinger Band is a powerful duo, especially when you are trading short time frames and want quick, repeatable setups. Okay guys, before we wrap up, if you want bonus codes, I've got up to 60% deposit bonus. I will explain how to get them in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Do it on YouTube rules. I can post my rawest and wildest trading sessions here, but they are still available exclusively in my Telegram, completely free for you guys. That's where we also drop like setups, trade ideas, and run private giveaways. So, if you found this video useful, drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. You know, guys, it's really big pleasure for me to share my knowledge. That I'm really happy that our community growing. Let's stay sharp, let's be smart, and let's be successful. I wish you all the best. Trades, health, and love yourself. Love what you do, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.